Cleaning products. They're in every home. We use them daily to wipe down surfaces, scrub sinks, and keep our homes smelling fresh. But have you ever stopped to wonder what's really inside those bottles? Many conventional cleaning products contain toxic chemicals that can negatively impact your health, contributing to respiratory issues, hormone disruption, and even long-term diseases. The worst part? Many of these harmful substances are completely legal and widely used, despite growing scientific evidence of their risks. In today's video, we're uncovering the hidden dangers lurking in your cleaning products. We'll break down the harmful chemicals you should watch out for, explore their potential health risks, and reveal simple, natural alternatives you can make at home. Stick around because what you learn today might just change the way you clean forever. Let's get into it. Most of us assume that if a product is sold in stores, it must be safe. But that's far from the truth. Cleaning products aren't required to disclose all of their ingredients, which means many of us are unknowingly exposing ourselves to toxic chemicals every time we clean. One of the biggest culprits? Volatile organic compounds, VOCs. VOCs are chemicals that easily become airborne and can be inhaled. According to a 2018 study published in Science Advances, common household cleaning products contribute significantly to indoor air pollution, sometimes rivaling emissions from cars. The American Lung Association warns that long-term exposure to VOCs can lead to respiratory problems, headaches, and even damage to the nervous system. Another major concern is phthalates, which are commonly found in fragranced cleaning products like air fresheners and scented sprays. A study from Environmental Health Perspectives found that phthalates can disrupt hormone function, potentially leading to reproductive issues and developmental problems in children. The worst part? Since fragrance formulas are considered trade secrets, companies aren't required to disclose phthalates on labels, meaning you could be exposing yourself without even knowing it. Then there's ammonia, a powerful cleaner found in glass and window sprays. While ammonia effectively removes streaks, it's also a major respiratory irritant. Research from the Journal of Occupational Medicine and Toxicology indicates that long-term exposure to ammonia can increase the risk of chronic bronchitis and lung damage, especially for those with asthma or other respiratory conditions. And let's not forget about sodium hypochlorite, better known as bleach. While bleach is widely used for disinfecting, it can release chlorine gas when mixed with other cleaning agents, causing severe lung irritation and even chemical burns. A 2020 study from the American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine linked regular household bleach use to an increased risk of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, a serious lung condition that makes breathing difficult. Another hidden danger? Triclosan, an antimicrobial agent found in some disinfectants and antibacterial soaps. The FDA banned triclosan from hand soaps in 2016 due to concerns about antibiotic resistance and hormone disruption, but it's still allowed in other cleaning products. According to research from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, triclosan exposure has been linked to thyroid dysfunction and weakened immune function. But it's not just your health at risk. These chemicals are also harming the environment. Studies published in Environmental Science and Technology reveal that chemical residues from cleaning products can persist in waterways, contaminating drinking water and harming aquatic life. Phosphates, commonly found in dishwashing detergents, contribute to toxic algal blooms that kill fish and disrupt ecosystems. So, what's the solution? Fortunately, there are natural, chemical-free alternatives that are just as effective at cleaning without the health risks. Let's break down a few simple DIY solutions you can make at home. For an all-purpose cleaner, mix equal parts distilled white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Vinegar's acetic acid content naturally breaks down grease, grime, and bacteria. A 2014 study from the Journal of Food Protection found that vinegar is highly effective at killing foodborne pathogens, making it a safe and natural disinfectant for kitchen surfaces. Need a natural glass cleaner? Combine 2 cups of water, a half cup of white vinegar, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Shake well and spray onto windows and mirrors for a streak-free shine. Research from the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health suggests that vinegar-based cleaners reduce airborne pollutants compared to conventional glass cleaners that contain ammonia and VOCs. For bathroom and tile cleaning, baking soda is your best friend. Sprinkle it onto surfaces, then spray with a mixture of water and vinegar. The fizzing action helps break down soap scum and grime. A 2019 study in the Journal of Applied Microbiology found that baking soda is effective at neutralizing odor-causing bacteria, making it a great alternative to harsh chemical deodorizers. Concerned about disinfecting surfaces? Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful yet safe alternative to bleach. According to research published in the Journal of Hospital Infection, hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria and viruses on surfaces without producing harmful fumes like bleach. Simply dilute 3% hydrogen peroxide with water and use it as a disinfectant spray. Even air fresheners can be made naturally. Instead of using commercial sprays filled with synthetic fragrances, try simmering a pot of water with citrus peels, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. Essential oils like lavender or tea tree oil can also be diffused to freshen up a room without the toxic chemicals. A 2021 study from the Journal of Toxicology and Environmental Health found that synthetic air fresheners contain compounds that can trigger allergies and respiratory irritation, making natural alternatives a much safer choice. Switching to natural cleaning products doesn't just protect your health. It also reduces your exposure to harmful chemicals, minimizes environmental pollution, and saves money. Plus, making your own cleaning solutions is quick, easy, and requires only a handful of simple ingredients you probably already have at home. But before you start mixing, one important note. Always research proper dilution ratios and avoid mixing vinegar with hydrogen peroxide as it can create harmful fumes. With the right knowledge and a few simple swaps, you can keep your home clean and safe, without the hidden dangers of conventional cleaning products. Even though natural cleaners are effective, they do require a shift in mindset. Many commercial cleaning products rely on synthetic chemicals to provide instant results, but natural alternatives may need a little extra time or scrubbing. However, the trade-off is well worth it. Your lungs, skin, and overall health will thank you. For those who are hesitant about making their own cleaners, plenty of eco-friendly brands offer safer alternatives. Look for products that are certified by organizations like the Environmental Working Group, EWG, or have labels indicating they are free from phthalates, parabens, and synthetic fragrances. Just be cautious of greenwashing. Some brands market their products as natural, while still containing harmful ingredients. Always read labels carefully and research brands before purchasing. One of the best ways to transition to natural cleaning is to start small. Swap out one product at a time instead of overhauling your entire routine overnight. For example, replace your commercial glass cleaner with a homemade vinegar-based spray or switch to a baking soda scrub instead of chemical-laden bathroom cleaners. Over time, you'll find that these simple changes make a big difference in both air quality and personal well-being. Beyond just switching products, consider other lifestyle changes that contribute to a healthier home environment. Opening windows regularly can help ventilate indoor air, reducing the buildup of VOCs and other pollutants. Using houseplants like peace lilies, snake plants, or spider plants can also help naturally filter toxins from the air, according to a famous NASA study on indoor air quality. So, do you really know what's in your cleaning products? From toxic chemicals that harm your health to environmental pollutants that damage ecosystems, conventional cleaners come with hidden dangers. But the good news is that safer, natural alternatives exist, and they're easy to make at home. By switching to simple, chemical-free options, you can protect your health, reduce pollution, and even save money. So, what's stopping you? Make the switch today and experience the benefits of a cleaner, healthier home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health-conscious content. What natural cleaners do you use? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your tips.